They are very territorial, and it stresses them out in most cases to see other birds of prey. Because other birds of prey are not only a threat to their food, but in some cases, other birds of prey can be a threat to their life.
Killing machine right there.
Because sometimes birds
Yeah, like a rabbit.
other birds of prey. So the one we have coming out behind us here, Billy's getting him all geared up over here. This is Phil. And Phil gets his name for Phil saying we really, really like our outdoor wear. And Phil over here, does anybody know what species he might be?
This guy does.
Exactly. I feel like he may have been talking to Billy.
No, he brought it up. He brought it up. Said he saw one in Wisconsin.
Nice.
Yeah, at a show.
So this is a Harris's hawk. Now, earlier, remember how I just said that birds of prey don't share? He is the exception to the rule. And this